Well, hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to tell you how to refill your car AC gas at your home. So in order to do that, you will need an AC gas can. It should be R134A only, and you will need this pipe with a male and female attachment. Well, both the attachments have an open and close valve system. The red one connects to the AC can and the blue one connects to the car. So now simply take the red socket and press it against the can and rotate it. This will tighten up and that will ensure that no gas is leaked. While tightening the can, please ensure that you tighten it to the fullest, else the gas will escape. So now when we move on to the vehicle, first thing we need to do is we need to locate the AC pipes. There are two pipes, one is a low pipe, one is a high pipe. The low pipe or the low pressure pipe is for cooling, the high pressure pipe is for heating. You will know that because in the cap there is a symbol. The low pressure has L written on it and the high pressure will have H written on it. So friends, now we need to connect this attachment with the low pressure pipe. It is a simple procedure. We just need to take this and plug it against the pipe. So after all the connections are complete, we need to loosen up the valve so that the AC gas can flow in to the vehicle. It is very important to note that first we need to loosen up the valve which is connected to the vehicle and then the valve which is connected to the AC gas can. The next step is to get in the vehicle, start the vehicle and run the AC at full swing and press the accelerator pedal as much as you can. We can check the cooling by placing our hands on the AC vent, which will let us know that whether or not the car is cooling more. As a finale, we need to shake the can so that the remaining gas, whatever is left in the can, is sucked into the vehicle. Lastly, before opening the connections, please ensure that all the valves are closed. So friends, I really hope you like this video. If you like it, hit the like button. And if you have any questions or queries, please comment in the comment section below.